Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and again I am back with a new Excel function that is called SUMIFS. SUMIFS function in Excel is used to sum a values based on a multiple criteria. It allows you to specify one or more conditions to determine which cells to add or sum. See how SUMIF function works, and SUMIF function syntax is like equals to SUMIFS asking for a sum range, and then sum range is salary column, select the sum range, comma, and then asking for criteria range 1, and criteria range 1 would be employee name, then comma, and double quotation, and then employee criteria is employee name, double quotation close. Here I would like to explain why we use a double quotation. Double quotation marks to indicate text or string values when you want Excel to interpret a certain values as a text rather than a number or cells reference. In that cases, you need to enclose that values under the double quotation. So next, it's asking for a criteria range 2, then criteria range 2 would be location column, then comma, again double quotation, and then criteria 2 would be location name, that is Mumbai. Close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you get the answer. Answer is 33,400 is the total salary of employee whose name is Jack and is from Mumbai location. Now let's try one more time. SUMIFS, then sum range is salary column, and then criteria range 1 is location column. This time I use a criteria range 1 as a location column. Here this time criteria is Chennai, and then comma, and then the criteria 2 would be employee's name, comma, and then employee criteria 2 is Roy, double quotation close, and close the bracket, hit the enter. You get the answer. In this basis, you can use a SUMIF functions to escalate your proficiency and to save the times at your workplace. Thank you and happy learning. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.